Ready. Down in Victory Lane with tonight's stock car feature winner, Corey Bushnell, driver of the 55. Tell you what, Corey, great run out there tonight. I know we had that King of the Hill. Things got a little bobbly on that last lap. What happened?
I come out of 3, entering 4, seen the checkered flag, and the carburetor just completely went away. It came back, tore everything apart, and there was a big old chunk of dirt in the carburetor. Very, very disturbing. I had it won.
I know you did, but let's talk about that feature event. I mean, you dominated that thing. I mean, had 10, 12 car lengths on them at a time. A couple of yellows thrown in there, but you just stayed where you needed to be, and you had a great run up front there.
It's a lot easier when you're out in front and don't have to deal with the traffic, and luckily I didn't have to deal with hardly any lap traffic, and it started drying out. Towards the end, I started slowing down, and I felt like I was making a lot better laps when I was going slower, of course, and when it was dry.
I tell you what, one of the things that you're involved in this year is that race was against ALS. Of course, ALS, the formerly known as Lou Gehrig's disease, and Keith Miner, one of your close friends and a guy that races with us here, has that ALS or Lou Gehrig's disease. And I know you guys have put a lot of time and effort, some benefits, and of course, racing for him this year. I mean, that's a big deal, and I know that the win tonight's got to feel real sweet for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to dedicate this to Keith Miner. He's a pretty good guy. He comes out a lot, and we hang out, and we're helping work on his car and stuff here and there, and just try and support him every chance we get and stuff like that. So,
well, I tell you what, Corey, once again, congratulations. Great run here tonight. Hope to see you back down here again.
All right. Thank you very much.
Corey Bushnell, tonight's stock car feature winner here at the Boone Speedway.